Hello and welcome to DocPlexus Health Minute. According to a survey conducted by the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology and the National Institute of Nutrition, 1 in every 2 people in Hyderabad is infected by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, with or without symptoms. Data from similar surveys conducted in other states in India might help identify the infected population's proportion and strategize the vaccination drive. The US FDA has given the nod to the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine under the Emergency Use Authorization. It is an adenovirus type 26 vector-based vaccine recommended for individuals aged 18 years and above in the United States. This approval will increase the vaccine's availability to the masses and help us in our fight against the pandemic. The Delhi High Court has asked the state government to comply with a judicial order and govern the authorization of online pathological laboratories, or else contempt proceedings will be initiated. A team of engineers from the EPFL's School of Engineering have developed retinal implant made up of camera-embedded smart glasses and a microcomputer that works by using electrodes to stimulate retinal cells. This system has been tested virtually and is now ready for clinical trials. Do you think this implant can be a realistic approach in providing artificial vision to blind people? Let us know your opinion by commenting below. Health Minute, the most liked segment of DocPlexus, brings you the latest happenings in the medical field. Stay tuned for more insights. Happy DocPlexing!